Welcome back to a new video. In this video we are going to talk about for loops in Python. Let's start coding. The basic syntax of the for loop is for item in iterable, and then we are going to give our code in this block like this. So this is the basic for loop structure. This iterable can be a list, tuple, string, or any iterable object. The for loop then goes through each item in the iterable, and we can perform some operation for each iteration. Now let's jump into our first example. We will create a simple for loop to print numbers from 1 to 5. So for that I'm going to say for number in range 1 to 6, we will say print this number. So what we are going to have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also we can add something like print number, and then we can do that, and you will see that this one is going to work firstly, then this, and it returns to this in the other iteration. The for loop iterates through the range of numbers we specified and prints each one. This is a basic example, but it lays the foundation for more complex tasks. Let's do another example. I'm going to say fruits, and it's going to be a list like apple, banana, orange, and grape. And then I'm going to say for fruit, in fruit, print fruit. So what it's going to return is, it's going to return these elements one by one. The for loop goes through each item in the list, making it a powerful tool for tasks involving collections. Now let's apply this for loop to a real-world scenario. Imagine you have a data set of sales and transactions. We want to calculate the total revenue. So we can say sales is going to be a list like 200, 250, 120, 450, 300, and we can set something like total revenue, and it can be 0. Then we are going to say for sale in sales, and then we will say total revenue plus an equal sale. So what is this is, it's just same as total revenue plus sale. Just same with this, we are going to use this operator, and I will say sale. So after that I'm going to say print total revenue, and then I'm going to print the total revenue in here. Also I need to use E in here. As we can see, the for loop helps us sum up the sales data to calculate the total revenue. Now let's create a mock pandas data frame and use a for loop to iterate through its rows. So I'm going to just make a copy paste. I'm going to import pandas, and then I'm going to make a copy paste from my clipboard. I'm just going to set the data like this, name age, city columns, and then I'm going to say data frame is going to be pandas.dataframe, and I will give the data. So when I call the data frame in here, we are going to see a data frame. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to say for index in row in data frame iterows, I'm going to say print, I will use an F string, then I'm going to say name is going to be row name, and then age is going to be row age, and lastly city is going to be row and city. So I'm just going to make this for loop work. Actually I need to use different thing for string creation. In here I'm just going to use single this. I'm just going to update all of them real quick. Age is updated, and I'm going to update the city lastly, and now it's going to work smoothly. Okay, I made another typo. I'm also going to fix that real quick like this. In here I'm going to fix that, and now we are cool. Great. In this example we have created a pandas data frame with some mock data. The for loop iterates through each row, allowing us to access and process values in each column. So we got the name Alice, 25, city New York. Like we get this row with this for loop in here. We get this row with this for loop in here. Great. Also we can print something like hello, and it's going to print hello after all of them like this. It goes row by row.
Thanks for watching the video. I'm sharing 2 or 3 new videos every week about data science and Python programming. You can subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I shared a free data science bootcamp where I teach Python, Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Plotly, Seaborn, and Scikit-learn with 3 projects. The video is about 7 hours and it's completely free. You can just reach to that video from the card of this video or the link in the description.